Hello everyone. So in this module we are going to see some further applications of diode. Okay, basically we will see some diode circuits that we can use to process some analog signals. Okay, so why would we need to process analog signals? Well, there are various types of applications in which you cannot use an analog signal. I mean, by analog signal it can be some sort of a speech signal or some voltage signal that comes from some sensor like a temperature sensor or pressure sensor, etc., etc. Okay, we cannot use them in a raw format in electronic circuits. For a specific example, suppose I have an electronic circuit like this. Okay, it is made up of transistors and different types of diodes and other devices, etc., etc. And suppose the devices used in the circuit is very sensitive, it has a voltage tolerance. Okay, I tell you that you cannot use it has an input port, and it has an output port. I say that the voltage you input into this circuit cannot be greater than 5 volt or cannot be greater than 10 volt. Suppose if you input any voltage greater than 10 volt in the circuit, the components in this circuit might be damaged. Okay, or it might get burned. Or I can also say that you cannot input a voltage less than minus 5 volt. Okay, that there is a specific range of voltages that you can input into this circuit. So if we want to input any, suppose I have some sensor that has produced some signal and that is in the range of plus 10 volt to minus 10 volt. Okay, and this circuit works in the range of plus 5 to minus 5. Okay, so how can we process, what can we do to this signal to input to this circuit? So we might have to clip this circuit. Okay, we might have to, clip this signal, not circuit. We might have to clip this signal. Suppose I clip this signal in such a way that all the voltages greater than 10 volts are nullified, are set, are that no voltages greater than 5 volt remain in this initial signal. Similarly, I can clip it below that no voltages less than minus 5 volt remain in this signal. Okay, so a very simple circuit of diode can do this task, and that circuit is called the clipper circuit. Okay, all right, so how